Hi guys! In this video, I will guide you to the 3 simple methods to activate your Santander Bank debit card. So whether you prefer the convenience of an ATM, the ease of a phone call, or the flexibility of a mobile app, I've got you covered. So stay tuned as I walk you through each step to ensure a smooth activation process. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so for those opting to activate their debit card at a Santander ATM, then you can start by locating any nearby Santander ATM. Then once you're there, you just need to insert your debit card into the ATM and you just need to follow the on-screen prompts for activation, and once completed, just simply retrieve your card from the ATM. Now, for activation by calling, just dial the hotline that you see on your screen from the phone number that is associated with your account. Now, what you need to do is just follow the automated prompts to activate your debit card. So you just need to provide the necessary information as requested, and once the process is complete, your card will be successfully activated. And lastly, if you want to activate it by using the app, just start by downloading and installing the Santander mobile banking app on your smartphone. Then after the installation, log into your account with the provided credentials. And once logged in, just carefully navigate to the dedicated card activation selection within the app. And what you need to do is just follow the detailed in-app instructions provided for the activation of your debit card, ensuring each step is accurately completed. Then, upon successful completion of the process, anticipate receiving a confirmation message confirming that your debit card is now fully activated through the mobile banking app. And that's it. That's the straightforward process for easily activating a Santander debit card. So whether you prefer the convenience of an ATM, a quick call, or a simplicity of using the app, this step should guide you seamlessly to the activation process. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.